Simple Future Tense Challenge English Quiz Part 1. 10 multiple choice questions with answers and explanations. Understanding simple future tense form with will plus base verb or verb 1. Used for future actions or events, promises, predictions, plans, instant decisions. Example, I will go to school tomorrow. Question number 1. I promise I blah 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 you with your homework tonight. A. Help. B. Helped. C. Will help. D. Going to help. The answer is C. Will help. Structure: will plus base verb or verb 1. Explanation: will is used to make promises. After will, always use the base form of the verb help. The sentence expresses the promises. I promise I will help you. Remember, promise plus will plus verb 1. Question number 2. They blah 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 to Japan for their summer holiday next year. A. Travel. B. Will travel. C. Traveled. D. Travels. The answer is B. Will travel. Structure: will plus base verb or travel. Explanation: next year is a future time marker that signals the simple future tense. When you talk about plans or events happening in the future, we use will followed by the base form of the verb. The complete sentence: they will travel to Japan. Question number 3. Blah blah you open the window for me, please. It's hot in here. A. Do. B. Did. C. Will. D. Are. The answer is C. Will. Will you open the window for me, please? Okay, the explanation. Will at the start of a sentence is used to make polite requests or offers. When we want to ask someone to do something nicely, we begin with will you blah blah blah. This is a common and courteous way to ask for help or favors in English. Question number 4. I don't think it blah 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 rain this afternoon. The sky is very clear. A. Will. B. Does. C. Is. D. Won't. The answer is A. Will. Structure: subject plus will plus verb 1. Explanation: will is used for predictions based on belief or opinion. In the sentence I don't think it will rain, the speaker is making predictions about the weather based on their observation that the sky is clear. This is a personal belief or a fact. Question number 5. We blah 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 not attend the meeting tomorrow because we are busy. A. Do. B. Did. C. Will. D. Are. The answer is C. Will. Negative future sentences use will not or won't plus verb 1. Explanation. The negative form of simple future tense is formed by adding not after will. The construction won't is commonly used in everyday speech. Remember, the base verb always follows never juncted form. Question number 6. Scientists blah 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 find a cure for this disease in the near future. A. Will. B. Are. C. Do. D. Did. The answer is A. Will. This is a prediction about a future event. Structure, subject plus will plus verb 1. Explanation, will is used to make prediction about events we believe will happen in the future. In the sentence, we are predicting that scientists will find a cure. The structure follows subject, scientists plus will plus past verb or find. Question number 7. Wait, I blah 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 the door for you. A. Open. B. Will open. C. Opened. D. Am open. The answer is B. Will open. Will is used for instant decision made at the moment of speaking. Explanation, when someone says, wait, I will open the door for you, they are making a spontaneous decision right at that moment. This is a key use of will, for decisions not planned in advance but made instantly in response to a situation. Question number 8. What blah 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 you do if you win the game? A. Do. B. Did. C. Will. D. Are. The answer is C. Will. Explanation, in the future possibility questions, will precedes the subject to form the interrogative structure. The correct pattern is will plus subject plus verb 1 and the question mark. This structure is used when asking about hypothetical future scenarios or possibilities. Question number 9. She blah 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 is 16 years old next month. A. Will. B. Is. D. Does. D. Was. The answer is A. Will. Will is used to state future facts such as birthdays, ages, or calendar events. These are certain future occurrences that we know will happen. Structure, subject plus will plus verb 1. The last question, question number 10. I blah 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 probably stay at home and watch a movie tonight. A will. B am. C do. D did. The answer is A will. I will probably stay at home and watch a movie tonight. Explanation: probably often pairs with will to express likely but uncertain future actions. When we're not 100% sure something will happen, we use add verbs like probably with will to show possibility. The structure remains subject plus will plus probably plus verb 1. Quick summary of simple future tense. Review the key structures and rules. Affirmative or positive, subject plus will plus verb 1. For example, I will go. Negative, subject plus will not or won't plus verb 1. For example, I want to go. Interrogative, will plus subject plus verb 1. For example, will you go? And then for the not, always use the past form of the verb after will. Reminder, never say I will goes, I will eating, or will played. And remember, will plus past form of verb or verb 1. Okay, thank you for participating in the Simple Future 10 quiz. Feel free to ask any questions. Write in the comment sections. Thank you.